Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel, Dat Crafty Gamer, where I combine my love for gaming and crafting all in one channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you find something on the channel that you like and will consider subscribing, whether that be crafts or gaming or both. If you are new here, I do upload my crafting videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then I live stream my games on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evening. So if you want to stop by a live stream one time just to get to know me and see what kind of games I play, even if you don't like games, it's a good time to just chat and, get to know me. So you're welcome to do that even if you're not a gamer. And in today's video, I will be showing you all how I made this frame. Now, unfortunately, there's not going to be narration for this video because currently my narrating part of my Adobe Premiere isn't working for some reason. I do hope to have it fixed before I post the next crafting video, which would be next Tuesday. So yeah, if you just want to see how I make this project, please stand by and I will show you how I do that. If you like the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it maybe on your social media like Facebook or Twitter. And also you're welcome to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I do have those links in the description below. So with that said, let's get started on the project. Welcome back, my darlings. I hope everyone has made it to the end of the video. If you did make it to the end of the video, thumbs up to you. And if you liked the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And I did want to point out that the one thing that you guys didn't see in the video was that I added these little, maybe I could put it here. Actually, no, it's better over here. But I added these little ribbons here. They're bows that I learned how to make watching another YouTube video. So y'all did miss that, because whenever I got done with the project and I looked at it, I didn't like that there was it just didn't seem like there was any dimension to it. So I added these, but that was not on camera. So y'all did miss that. So anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you staying that long. I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to share it. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.